Hi everyone, this is Kristen with the Tech Reviewer, and today I'm here to install and review the tempered glass screen protector by Mous for iPhone 12 and 12 Pro. It features 9H hardness and is basically edge to edge and comes in a 2-pack, which is great. This is my first experience with Mous's tempered glass screen protectors. I reviewed their hybrid glass screen protector last year and was very impressed, particularly with their innovative installer. Unfortunately, this doesn't come with the same installer or any install tool actually. Hopefully the installation will still go smoothly. Let's get started. Looking at the contents of the box, we have our installation instructions, we have our install kit, and we have not one but two tempered glass screen protectors. Only one install kit, but we do have the two screen protectors, so if you mess up on the first one, you do get a second try. And looking at the contents of the installation kit, we have all the basics here. We have a wet wipe to clean your screen with, we have a dust removal sticker to remove any remaining dust, we have a microfiber cloth to clean your screen, and we have a card to push out any remaining bubbles after installation. To start off with, be sure to be working in as clean, dust-free, and well-lit environment as possible. Remove any existing screen protector you might already have on your device. And then you're going to want to make sure that your phone is as clean as possible. So use the included wet wipe to clean your screen, then dry it with the included microfiber cloth, and then use the dust removal sticker to remove any remaining dust. Next, you're going to want to take a look at the screen protector itself. As I mentioned, we don't have any kind of installer here, so you're going to need to align it by yourself. So note, obviously, we have a different top and bottom here. At the top, you're going to align this hole here with your ear speaker area. And then as far as the sides are concerned, simply just align them with the sides of the phone itself. So when you remove this from the back plate, you have a hard plastic back plate here. You're going to pull the back plate away from the screen protector, or the screen protector away from the back plate. Both of them are kind of equally hard. So this feels a little bit funny for some people who are used to just peeling away a flexible plastic strip to expose the adhesive. This is a little bit slower, but just take your time and it will go fine. Finally, you might want to leave your screen on during the installation process because it can help you to get things aligned correctly. Take your time with this process. Patience is essential in a successful screen protector install. Got a great adhesive on here, but as you can see, it went on a little bit crooked, so I'm going to pick this up and try to put it down a little bit better. I'm loving the adhesive on here. This is so cool. Okay, so looking at our results here, have to say, really impressed. So it wasn't the easiest screen protector to get on. I had a little bit of difficulty getting it aligned correctly. I had to take it up and reposition it, and then I had to take it up again because I ended up getting dust underneath it during the process of repositioning it. And I have to say, it still went on perfectly. So a lot of screen protectors do not take well to being picked up and put back down again. The adhesive starts to suffer. You get parts that won't actually stick back down, but that is not the case here. We basically got a perfect install with this, and everything looks great. So we've got pretty much edge-to-edge protection on here. I did get it very slightly more over to this side than that side, but it's very slight, and I'm calling it good. Our edges here are nice and rounded. Everything looks great. Seems like a very nice, very protective screen protector, and it's going to give you very good protection for your screen. In terms of look and feel, everything is excellent here. We've got beautiful optical clarity. This is a very responsive screen, no issue with haptic touch. Things feel lovely underneath the fingertips. I think that the oleophobic coating works very well in terms of resisting fingerprints. And this has 9H hardness, so you should be in good shape in terms of resisting scratches. This is not going to give you quite as much impact protection as you would get from a specialized impact protection polymer screen protector. However, with the ceramic shield technology in the new iPhones, it may be that impact protection is a little bit less important than it otherwise would be. So overall, very nice product. And as far as case compatibility is concerned, this is almost edge to edge, so it's not going to fit with perhaps all cases, but it is going to work with the Mous Clarity and the Mous Limitless 3.0 cases, so that is great. Overall, really nice product here. I still wish that this came with some sort of an install tool, but at least it does come with a 2-pack, so if you mess up the first time, you have a second one to fall back on. Overall, just a really nice product from Mous for iPhone 12 and 12 Pro. Again, we've been looking at the tempered glass screen protector by Mous. This product is available directly from Mous and has an MSRP of $19.99 for a 2-pack. You can save 15% on your Mous purchase by using the promo code, especially for viewers of this channel. It's currently The Tech Reviewer, no spaces, but if it's been a while since this video was posted, you might want to double check that in the description below because sometimes these codes change over time. Many thanks to the kind folks at Mous for sending me out this sample to review. If you have any questions, please feel free to put them in the comments below and I'll do my best to answer them. And please hit that subscribe button because I have a lot more iPhone accessory reviews coming up. Again, this is Kristen with the Tech Reviewer and this is the tempered glass screen protector by Mous. Thanks so much for watching and have a wonderful day.